Good day, I'm John Allen Pigurgasin from BSED Math 3A. Now, we are going to discuss about the final project number 4, wherein we need to relate the order of the group and the order of its subgroups. So we have here the identified subgroups from our previous task. For our improper subgroup, I named it letter G or element G. For our trivial subgroup, I named it G sub 1, and for our proper subgroups, we have G sub 2, G sub 3, G sub 4, G sub 5, G sub 6, G sub 7, G sub 8, G sub 9, G sub 10, G sub 11, G sub 12, 13, G sub 14, G sub 15, G sub 16, G sub 17, and G sub 18. So we have here the set G with the elements M, A, T, H, I, S, O, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 has 16 elements. Then the divisor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Therefore, the order of the subgroups has an order of element that relates to the divisor of the group. So we have here the subgroup of order 1, meaning these are the subgroups that consisted only of one element. Basically, this is the trivial subgroup or the subgroup of G sub 1 with the element M under the operation star. Next is the subgroup of order 2, meaning these are the subgroups that have two elements. We have the subgroups G sub 2 with the elements M and I under the operation star, the subgroup G sub 3 with the elements M and 1 under the operation star, the subgroup G sub 4 with the elements M and 2 under the operation star, the subgroup G sub 5 with elements M and 3 under the operation star, G sub 6 with elements M and 4 under the operation star, G sub 7 with elements M and 5 under the operation star, G sub 8 with the elements M and 6 under the operation star, G sub 9 with elements M and 7 under the operation star, and G sub 10 with elements M and 8 under the operation star. Next is the subgroup of order 4, meaning these are the subgroups with or that have 4 elements. So we have here the subgroup G sub 11 with elements M, T, I, O under the operation star. Also, the G sub 12 with elements M, I, 1, and 5 under the operation star. The subgroup G sub 13 with elements M, I, 2, and 6 under the operation star. The subgroup G sub 14 with elements M, I, 3, and 7 under the operation star. And G sub 15 with elements M, I, 4, and 8 under the operation star. Next is the subgroup of order 8, meaning these are the subgroups with the number of elements, which is 8. So these are the following subgroups. So G sub 16 with the elements M, A, T, H, I, S, O, and N under the operation star. G sub 17 with elements M, T, I, O, 1, 3, 5, and 7 under the operation star. And G sub 18 with elements M, T, I, O, 2, 4, 6, and 8 under the operation star. Next is the subgroup of order 16. So this is the basically the improper subgroup, which is the subgroup G having the elements M, A, T, H, I, S, O, N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 under the operation star. So this is the final project number 4. Thank you for listening and have a great day ahead.